Welcome, fellow wrecked plebs.
Afternoon, people. Back for another video. Thank you for listening to my last ramblings, and for my 2 new subscribers, I really appreciate it. Yeah, so as usual, we start with the charts. I'm still bullish. I'm probably the only guy out there that's still bullish. I mean, when you define bullish, it's like, is it going to reach the target that I hope it will reach so I can make some money, or a bit of change, or a bit of more coins? I won't say money, I'll say coins. I still believe it could get to 2.5 maybe. Test it and then break above quickly and then retrace, at which point I'll get out, hopefully. So looking at the chart, yeah, so I haven't pointed this out before, but I've been tracing this for quite some time. If you go to my Twitter, you could see there's a thread. I might even post a link to it in the description. Basically following it from around here. It's called TA is bullshit. So I've had this drawn out for quite some time, since January. This 1700 level here, where it's broken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it was tested and broke below, and then you had like sort of a consolidation and break above. Now I expected 1700 to be like some sort of heavy resistance because of the amount of times it's been tested, but it's just sort of melted through it. So I think that's pretty much a safe level. I think if it tests it again and breaks below, then we're going to like new lows. I'm still bullish. The reason why is because of this cross here and the fact that it's in the cloud and the edge to edge hasn't completed yet. I mentioned the edge to edge in the previous video, but this blue line crossing above the yellow line here is still giving me reason to be in my options trade, which I can just point out to you guys quickly. If I can just bring it up, here it is. Yeah, so like, yeah, the strike price is 2,500, so I basically bought one, or like 1,704 out of the money calls, in the hopes that price will rise and meet 2,500 and exceed it. So we'll see how that goes. I've still got, what, I think it's less than a month now, 28 days. So the countdown continues. I'll keep updating when I post a video and see if I can actually make some profit, which I haven't managed to do for the past, I don't know, 6 months. What else has been going on? I've been looking at other things. Yeah, so like the Ichimoku I have here is actually double settings, so it's 20, 60, 120 and 30. So it's just sort of like gives you a more defined sort of look at how price is moving according to Ichimoku. On the single settings, it's broken into the cloud as well. Looking for a target of like 2,200. The blue lines have crossed on there, so that's like confluence, which means that, you know, I'm getting two sort of signals that are saying the same thing. Let's see, yeah, and here these are like my faster moving averages. So the rule here is that you're not bullish unless these three lines are above the blue. So the blue is the slowest moving average, which is the 200 daily. You've got the 8, the 12 and the 21, I believe. So what you want to see is something like, if I go to a lower time frame, like something like this where they've crossed over. So this is bullish on a short term. This line of resistance here, it's sort of like petered above it, but now it's sort of in the middle of it. So you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's like the 1700 level once again. So you want to see it break above with a bit of power. And as you can see here, if I just point this out, this is volatility, and volatility is going back down, but price is not dumping alongside with it. So what you could see here is like a consolidation and then possibly a dump down in price if it doesn't work out the way I'm hoping it will. It's not in the bullish control zone anymore. Shout out to Crown Crypto Trading. He has a channel. He does daily videos, and yeah, I bought his course and it is beneficial. I wouldn't be the guy to recommend it because he doesn't recommend it. And if you've got time to check it out, then I would check out his channel. He's full of neutral advice. He's more of a BTC guy. He doesn't really do ETH. I just trade ETH. But anyway, yeah, so that's the charts for now. Let's see, let's move on. So what happened to Velo? Basically, we had a situation where I think last week it wasn't a hack. It was sort of like an insider had a few issues in his personal life and decided that, you know, instead of taking responsibility for himself and you know, explaining to his colleagues what had happened, and maybe leaving the project and going and get a job, you know, to look after his family, he decided that he was going to take some of the treasury funds and try and make the money back. What he did was he took 350k from the wallet, the treasury wallet, and decided that he's going to trade that and see if he can make back the money that he lost. I don't know, like on a personal note, for me, it's kind of like we're supposed to be in like a trustless, exciting, futuristic financial industry, but once again, a human being, one selfish human being, has decided that he's more important than the rest of us, and tried to take advantage of the fact that we trusted him. And it's a shame, in saying that, once this article came out, so you can see that it happened on the 4th of August. The 4th of August, which is maybe 10 days ago, and if you were in the Discord, you were aware of the situation, and the Velodrome team did say that they would basically announce what had happened, because they solved it pretty much straight away, regardless the price still dumped. Yeah, that basically explains what this article here. It was the character called Gabagool. I had conversations with him in the Discord as well, and he seemed like a genuine person, but he's human at the end of the day. And yeah, I don't know if he's gonna end up in prison or what's gonna happen. I mean, hopefully he gets some help, because it's a shame, that he put himself in that situation, but dragged the rest of us in to it as well. So looking at the Velo price, you can see that it's sort of like, yeah, it peaked at 10 cents. That's where I was like, super excited. I'm thinking, okay, things could only get better from here. And obviously, due to one person's actions, the price is sort of retraced, not all the way down to where I bought in. As I said before, I bought in below 1 cent, but yeah, it's retraced quite a bit, and it's going to take a lot for the Velodrome team to earn the trust back of the newcomers, if anything. Maybe it'll be forgotten and put in the annals of history, and we won't ever discuss it again. But at the same time, people who are here from the beginning are going to be conscious of the fact that the team has access to our funds. And, can they be trusted? Can they not be trusted? Who knows? I'm going to choose to trust them. I haven't had any issues with the actual protocol, and that's the key. If the protocol isn't broken, then we shouldn't have an issue. But if it's just the people around them, like, how do you trust people you don't know, on the internet? It's one of those conundrums that people have been discussing for generations. Was it the Byzantine theory or whatever, of like messages? Like, how can you trust a message from someone from across the world? Like, you can't. So I would just say, I'm not investing any more money. I'm going to use the crypto that is actually stored in my V NFT to just store more. So at the moment I have 27,869, which is around 1,000 USD, but I only invested 200, so I've 5x my money, or my value. And yeah, I'm just going to continue to compound that. So I've earned 83 Velo and 2.5 OP, or 84. See, it just popped up. So it's always nice to earn these. Every Wednesday I get paid. Let's see, Optipunks. I think this movement is over. I still love the design and everything, and I think if it gets any cheaper, I might just pick up a whole load of them and just have them as characters for my my thumbnails on my YouTube channel, like I do at the moment. And it seems like the person who designed the Optipunks, let's see, connect my wallet. It seems like the person's moved on to OptiChads, and it's quite possible. Oh, I received an offer. What? I received an Adzuki. What's that? Oh, something new. What's this? Okay. Oh, I didn't even know I had this. It must be. Oh, I'm sure it's just a scam. Like, Zuki, Zuki. Let's see. Let's do some investigations, huh? Follow. Activity. What is that? Zuki, 4 hours ago. From to. So who's this? Okay. Blah, blah. Sorry, guys. Okay, that's interesting. I'm gonna have to investigate that. I'll probably put that in the next video. That's very strange. I wasn't expecting that. How many did I receive? 2? Okay. So yeah, I received some Adzukis. I don't know what they are. The Adzukis are worth to like 10 ETH, so I'm getting kind of gassed. Yeah, so the OptiChads thing. This is the new project that he's involved with, and if you look at the price, I think the minting's actually finished now. Yeah, price is going down. So they had the 10,000 minted, I believe, and they just minted their final one today. So yeah, we'll see how the OptiChads project goes. They're quite unique. I did a video previously on it in a little segment just to say thanks, but yeah, the project team leader didn't seem that interested in me continuing the marketing campaign for them. I still love my OptiChads. I still have my Optipunks as well, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. Other than that, I bought this Elements a while back, and I think I overpaid for it as well. See, I haven't connected any of this stuff, honestly. Right, yeah, and yeah, I'm not getting any offers. Look at that, $10. I paid $400 for this. This is why I'm saying I don't understand NFTs. I wouldn't follow me. Okay, and that's about it. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on the whole Velo thing and see how it goes. I'm thinking that price is gonna pick up. They still got the OP incentives. You know, you get paid, like, I think if you lock the equivalent of 10,000 V Velo tokens, so that's like 11,000 Velos. You are entered in to receive some OP bonus as well, and there's like 75,000 OP to be allocated to you. What else is going on? Yeah, and that's pretty much it. We can go through my Twitter and see if there's any news. Let's see. I mean, there's not really much. Apparently, this what's his name? The trader from The Big Short has sold all of his stocks and whatnot today. So that's not a good sign either. But who cares what anyone else is doing? Just focus on yourself. Do you know what I mean? Jump Capital building new validator client for Solana. Okay, yeah, no one cares about Solana anymore. You know, yeah, I guess that's it. Yeah. So yeah, I hope everyone's having a good time. What day is it today? Oh, yeah, it's Tuesday. It's my day off, and I'm gonna go spend some time with my daughter. I hope you guys are doing well, and please like and subscribe. Maybe share the video. Thank you for listening to my waffle, and I probably will post something tomorrow more in depth. I said that I was gonna look into the Arbitrum thing, the Nova, which I might do now actually. Yeah, so I hope everyone's doing well, and I shall speak to you soon. God bless.